Disclaimer, I was super pumped. I mean, my homie hit me up on Instagram talking about his weekly earnings was like almost 2K. And then he showed me receipts. I was like, yo, that's impossible. This dude got to be using bots. And I was like, you know what? I need to know if it's possible.
Can you make $400 a day with the Instacart Shopper app?
What's up? This is Instacart Strategies. My name is Eugene Johnson, and you must be a strategic thinker.
I'm so in love with you.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Instacart Strategies. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you. Thank you for subscribing. If you are one of our returning subscribers, I know I've been gone for a little bit. I had finals, classes that were wrapping up, but it's summertime, baby. So you know what time it is. Weekly videos and tips to help you increase your Instacart earnings. All right, so pro tip number one. Sorry, I kind of got a bit of a late start to it, which actually that can be pro tip number one. Make sure you're starting at a decent time of day. If you're getting up by 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, you're not going to get the best orders. I know that's kind of like basic, but sometimes the basics get forgotten, especially when we start changing seasons, changing times, daylight savings, all that stuff starts coming into play. You need to be up by 6:51. Here in my area, that's when the stores, or that's when the app starts releasing orders. So you want to get an order before 7 o'clock, like right before, like 6:51, 53 or something like that. And honestly, all throughout the day, that's the best time to pick up an order. Between 45 all the way up to the next whole hour. That's when you're going to want to pick up your next order. Are y'all still waiting on pro tips? Well, I done made enough of those. Y'all go check the old videos out or comment below with any specific questions that you have. I'll help you out. But look, this weekend I had the best day ever with the Instacart Shopper app. It's right there. Proof's in the pudding. Receipts.
In 1.3 miles.
You want to know how I made that happen?
Onto Michigan Road and US
Stay tuned for the rest of the video.
North.
All right, so disclaimer. I was super pumped. I mean, my homie hit me up on Instagram talking about his weekly earnings was like almost 2K. And then he showed me receipts. I was like, yo, that's impossible. This dude got to be using bots. And I was like, you know what? I need to know if it's possible. Can you make $400 a day with the Instacart Shopper app? And if so, how's it done? How is it done? Because, like, my numbers usually is 250, 300 max. I was pumped. I mean, I was like power level 9,000.
Now it's over 9.
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level?
It's over 9,000!
The community here, we're all Instacart shoppers or gig workers in some way, so we can all help with questions and answers. It's a great resource.
So you should really make full use of it. Look, it's going to take a lot of hard work to get you a $400 a day. That's what we're going to dive into, the metrics and the state of mind that's necessary in the rest of this video. If you feel like you've learned something so far, or that you learned something towards the end, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Share the content if you think it's worthy. And just let me know what you think. You know, am I doing well? Do I suck ass at making videos? Just let me know. You guys do that already, right?
Let's take a look at the metrics. That way we can break it down for you and you can have a fighting chance on the weekends, Friday Saturday, Sunday. These are the days that you can expect or anticipate the possibility of making $400 or more. To be honest, I usually go for like $250, $300, then I'm out the door. But my dude hit me up. He was talking like crazy numbers. I just couldn't take it. You know, something in me was like, yo, I need to know if it's really possible, something that I can do here on my end. And then boom, first order of the day. You have to start early. 7 o'clock is really like almost late for me. I try to be at it like 6:51 to 6:59, somewhere in there. Those when you get the best orders, from 51 to 59. They say from 45 and up, but I say from 51 to 59. First order was $80. It was 1 mile away. The metrics were beautiful. Yeah, it was 100 items, but I knocked it out within an hour. That's what you're gonna need to show the app, the algorithm, that you can knock out a large capacity order within the time frame or better, which I had much better, and be in a busy area. Those two combinations are almost gonna guarantee you high earnings for the day. This was my second highest earning batch, $65. Not nothing too crazy for a Costco order, but you know, a nice standard number. That in combination with the 80 just kind of makes the day. Everything else was just kind of keeping it going, knocking it out within an hour. This was my lowest order. Maybe I should have took it, maybe I shouldn't have, but it was only like 9 items. I mean, $24, 9 items. I knocked it out super quick. If you're gonna take a small order, you need to knock it out as quick as possible. Knocking everything out as quick as possible, letting the algorithm know early that you're ready to work and that you came to bring your A game, meaning you are ready to knock out big orders, things with cat litter, things with large bags of dog food, things with pallet salt, all the large items, high, heavyweight, and still knock it out no problem. Instacart is so dead right now. I gotta get on some of these other apps.